The first step is to go to the MAIA settings page. That will register your company in MAIA, and it should sync your company's users with MAIA in the background. Nothing else needs to be done except visiting this page. Then you can enable MAIA for the company in general. When MAIA is enabled, the user immediately gets access to the MAIA helper at the sidebar. With MAIA enabled, the user also will have access to the MAIA button helper, either the text helper or image helper in composing emails. When MAIA is enabled, the automation will start to feed records and tracker data to the MAIA API so MAIA can learn. After automations are finished, another automation will gather suggestions and grades for existing mortgage records. Following that, there is one more automation that is performed every hour that will look for new or updated records so it can recalculate suggestions for them. Then you can enable the MAIA Next Step setting. After enabling Next Step, additional interface elements with Next Step data will appear.